It's great to meet with you again, Jayla.
Thanks for coming back, Daniel.
No problem.
So, we've narrowed it down to you and one other candidate. So I wanted to take some time to ask a few additional questions to see how you'd handle certain situations. Okay?
Sure.
All right, great. Can you tell me about a time when you handled an upset customer or coworker?
Yes, there was a time during my internship that I had to deal with a very frustrated person. It was a Monday morning and a manager came to my desk with her laptop because her Microsoft Outlook wasn't working. She was extremely frustrated because she couldn't access any of her emails or her calendar, and she had some meetings she had to start later on that morning. She said something along the lines that this was always happening at the worst time, so I could tell that this was a frequent issue for her. I needed to figure out why her Outlook wasn't working and get it working before her meeting started. I also wanted to reassure her that I was going to do everything I could as quickly as I could to get her laptop working properly again. The first thing I did was access her hard drive to see how much free space she had available. And that was the first problem that I uncovered. Even though she had a large hard drive, she only had a few mega free space available, which wasn't enough to run Outlook. So I went in, deleted some temporary internet files, some duplicate files, and cleaned up a few things. And in 5 minutes, I was able to get her Microsoft Outlook working properly again, and she was able to access all of her emails and calendar before her meeting started. However, I did also set up a time later on that week to do a few additional hours of work on her hard drive to free up even more space. She was thrilled at how quickly I could fix her laptop and even told my manager how great a job I did.
What a great story. Thanks so much for sharing.
Those STAR statements really work. I started with the situation and then told her about the task, talked about some of the actions I took to fix the problem, and then finished with some really positive results. Take some time to prepare a few before your next interview, and you will shine.